Good afternoon. Welcome to jimmunley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for November 30th through December 14th. Big story during this period will be the cold weather and the lake effect snow. So we're going to start here with the period for November 30th through December 4th. And this is what we're expecting here. Same as yesterday. The pattern is becoming stable. Ridge in the west, troughing in the east. And the pattern will favor a west-northwest flow along, bring an area of favorable lake effect snow. So we're going to look at that snowfall amounts here. And we can see we have, this is in the 12-hour periods. So here 2.7, 2.7, here. Then we get into heavy amounts. 7.4, 8.4, and the right side of Scranton, almost an inch. And then it looks like the real bullseye would be up here across New York State, 10 inches, 7.5. Then we go into Friday. Then it shifts up to New England, 14, 16 inches. Then it continues on Saturday across the lakes, 9.3. I can't quite, because it looks like numbers are over. It looks like 8.6, but there'll be very heavy snow you'll be seeing across this region. And then it goes into Sunday. Then it goes into Monday, 4.7, 8.8. So this is pretty decent at 8.1. Heavy snow here will be there. The trough along with cold high pressure system streaming from the Arctic will cause temperatures to drop well below freezing across much of the country east of the Rockies. And this will be the coldest air of the season so far. Okay, first going to talk about our storm for tomorrow on Thanksgiving Day. We'll go to the surface here. And look at the various. So here it is here, 7 a.m. on Thursday. Snow moving into Pennsylvania. It'll probably turn over to rain. Snow here across the Midwest. Rain to the south. And then we come further. Then 7 p.m. Then it begins to exit out. So the system is progressive and it moves east, dumping heavy snow across New England. All right. So now for the 5th to the 9th. November 30th to the 4th, what we have is this cold high pressure system circulating cold air into the east. The west will continue to experience dry precipitation. Maybe some precipitation moves into the northwest. Okay, we're going to look at the period now for December 5th to the 9th. Still have a ridge in the west, troughing in the east. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies to be near 6 degrees or more above normal here, below normal temperatures for this region, but the anomalies near 10 degrees or more, especially across in the dark blue. For precipitation, nothing's changed since yesterday, just so you know. Below normal precipitation here, and for this region, the probability of occurrence is near 35%. Looking ahead for December 10th to the 14th, overall still trough, ridge trough configuration. However, like you see, the GFS ensemble is a little less amplified with the heights, but still there. So for this forecast period, calling for little change in the temperature anomalies, and for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. And for this region, probability of occurrence is about 35%. Below normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence near 35%. That's a long range weather forecast discussion for November 30th through December 14th. And thank you for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a happy Thanksgiving.